let's jump into the water because I love swimming. Whoop. I can't. Okay, I drowned. Wait, no, did I not? Oh, I didn't drown. Bye. Well, hi guys, welcome back. Talking about being here, which I don't know where I am. Where am I? Well, I don't know, but I can dance. So, but I don't know where I am. Where am I? This world looks familiar, though. Oh, I think I'm in this one game. What's it called? I think I remember. Totally reliable delivery service. We're back. I love this game. Okay, let's go into an order because that's what you do. When you do orders, I want to just really do it. Okay, let's go. I want to reset the order. How come I can't reset the order? Okay, yeah, that blew up. Let's I don't have a boat. Oh, there, it's right there. Okay, so we're gonna do this game because it's so fun and get better at it and better at it. So what on earth is this? The Ferris wheel needs fixing. Okay. Ah, no, getting it. Why am I so bad at this? Oh my gosh. Okay, delivery failed. Yes, it has. But it will not fail for long. That's what I mean. Oh no. Oh. Okay, now stop it. Trying to do a perfect delivery. And if this doesn't go perfect. Oh no! What happened to the delivery started shooting out water! Wait! What happened? Okay. Okay, so, like I was saying, let's go. And I'm gonna do this. Oh no, don't follow me. Me, listen to me. Listen to me. Am I having so much trouble just to get on the boat? Yes! Oh, my arms are twisted though. Okay, let's do that. And then we're gonna go. Okay. Let's go. There is the wheel. Oh no! Wait, my hand! My hand went off the control. Okay. Wheel. Oh no! The container. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Don't crash the boat. No, the container went in the water again. No. Why? Visit the wizard to unlock that area more. Okay, but I can still do this. I can do this. Good. Gotcha. Now, you're not going to explode. What is with me? It doesn't matter how much it takes. It's got gas in it, so like it's very careful not to crash. This takes a long time. I'm gonna check this. Oh, be fast. I'm gonna leave. Oh, I'm so sad. Okay, one more try. Wait, I saw a crab. I'm sure I saw a crab. Oh, there it is. There's a giant crab right there. Oh, is he the one that got that dead fish? How long it takes, I just want to make this. It's so slow right now. I'm going as slow as I possibly should. Oh my god. Normally it says after says, why on earth are you, what on earth are you doing? Why did it take so long to load after we give it to them? And I'm probably thinking that's what they're gonna say. Looking for another delivery nearby. I just found one. Ooh, what's that? I want to do this. I unlocked a shoe cosmetic. I can't believe her.
What do you want?
Oh, visit the wizard to unlock this place. Wait, is this the wizard? Where's the wizard? I don't know where the wizard is. I don't want to go on the ride. Let's go on the ride. So I'll put this. Let's put this. All the way full. There we go. Oh, that's way too fast. Okay, that's better. Phew. Just have to try and get on with my jumpy hands. 3, 2, 1. Jumpy hands! Okay, get on. Jumpy hands! I did it. Oh, I did it. Whoop! Oh, man. Whoop! Ow! Jump! Ow! Ow, I went into the thing! Okay, yeah, this is not really good. Let's put this up below so I can just try and get in. Thank you. This is gonna be so easy now. Oh, come on! Okay, this is not working out right now. Okay, I guess I got away. Ooh, go! Yes! There's no handles in this? I don't feel safe. Oh, there's a handle on the outside? What? I can get onto it. Grabby hands. No! Okay, I want to get on the outside handles. 3, 2, 1. Get it. I got it. Yes. Ah! Ow! Okay, that hurt. Okay, let's go do, wait, I want to just try one more time doing this, except I want to do something else. Oh, I can put on the okay, well, I guess I will put this on first. Perfect. Now I just have to try. Catch me! No! Not yet. Catch me! No! No! What is happening? Okay, let's go back to where I was, which I am right now. And let's go to let's go driving. So I know where to get a perfect car. So let's run there. It's called the Carnation Shop. It's basically where you do carnation shops. No, it's just called delivery service. So basically, there's my car right in there. Yeah. Let's get it. Okay. I'm in. Oh my god. Oh car, really? Okay, handle for safety or no handle for safety? Handle for safety. Let's go. Let's go this way. Okay. I guess I'm breaking the rules. Hi. Okay. So I'm definitely breaking the rules of driving right now, but oh my god. No, don't go down. Don't go down. Okay, let's go here and let's go this way, go that way. Gonna go here, gonna go there. And we're gonna get out. We're gonna do this delivery. Now, oh no. We have to go back down. Let's use the helicopter down. I know exactly where I can go with my helicopter. This helicopter might be someone else's, like this person's house right here. I don't know. But I'm just saying, I'm so sorry I'm taking your helicopter. Now, let's just go. Bye. Later. Woo! I don't know how to drive. Okay. Woo! Later. Okay, no, it's not working. Help. Okay, so there we go. Let's go. Later. Oh no, don't go in the water. Okay, too bad. At least I drowned. Now that we're back down, I want to go get to one of those weird sort of things that shoot you into the air. They're called those little air busters. They're air busters. Yeah, I call them air busters. Basically, they're so funny because they do this. Let me show you. See, you go run. Dance while you're running because that helps everything. And we're going to go right to the start. And you'll say something I call an air buster. Grab the air buster. Oh, and then fly up to the top of the mountain. It works out very easy for you and people that might actually like flying to the top of the mountain. Okay, yeah, I can. Okay, now I'm falling. I'm going to fall right on the mountain. Right? Where am I falling? I'm in space. I'm going to try and grab something. I'm gonna land on the mountain like I wanted to. No, don't fly off. I'm gonna fly off. No, I fell all the way down. No, don't go back down. Get up. I can do it. I can climb. See, I'm a climb master. Ow! No, wait, I'm upside down. What on earth am I doing? Guys, help me with this stuff. Okay, this rock hurts me. Wow, these rocks actually hurt you? I didn't know they could hurt you. Okay, so I want to go to not Cliff Country, Hometown, Windy. Can I go to Windy? I'm gonna go to Windy really bad. Okay, let's go to Windy. So first what I want to do is I basically want to try out my hardest works. And I want to go on to this other thing. Can I get up? I can get up! I made it! Guys, this is what I wanted to do all this whole time. Other than trying to get that other delivery, which we did. But now I want to do this. Ready? I'm gonna do this Chinese meal. Ooh, yum. So we're gonna grab it. Gonna do it. Woo! I did it. Ow, I fell to the box. Is there a handing free? Your luck. Aw, was my luck not good? Was my luck not good enough? I don't know, but I'm getting money from doing all this, so I want to do it. My chippy. Is there chips in here? Of course there's chips. There's got to be chips in here. Oops, I lost 0.5% of chips. Where do you want me to deliver your chips? Okay, there. Let's drive slow. get your chips, get your chips. And chips. Chips. Hold on, let's get the chips again. Yes! I did another delivery and I got $10. Okay, well let's do one last delivery and we might end the video. Okay, so let's go here. Woo! Okay, so this, it says it wants me to do this one, so I guess I'll do this one. Or if it's too early. Okay, so there we go. Gone fishing. So this is a fishing package. Delivered to the beach. I already lost some of the fishing package. Are you getting chips, like chip snacks for your beach? Hopefully that's what you're getting. Because, like, fishing is cool for you. Just deliver it down. Okay, no, the car pushed me. Amazing. Popcorn, what on earth did... No, the car! Wait! We have to flip this car back around. Are you... Sir, are you okay? Are you okay? Open the car. Okay, never mind. That's so bad the car tipped. But he drove right into me. No, don't crash, please, into us. Oh my gosh, he drove right into me, so I don't know really how much that really takes from me. So I want to jump up here. If I keep this in the air. Just try that. Okay. So this probably will be better because I'm holding on to it. Okay. Big stop! Stop! Okay. So there we go. Let's go. It literally fell, but I really don't think it matters. Oh, ow! I'm really good at all this delivery stuff, you know? So I'm properly thinking I can do another one, but like, first off, accurate, because I like doing this stuff. So I'm gonna go back up, find a new delivery, which is like this one. Woo! Ow! I did splits in the car. What is this? Safety first. Why is this zipline powered? Delivered to zipline. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's take the car up there. Would this be safer to go? Okay, this would be safer to go up, I guess. I'll put it in the back. I'm stuck. I'm wedged. I can't get in the back. I just love this. Ow, I'm stuck. Okay, let's push this car this way. Push. It didn't work. Okay, but at least let me grab. What is happening with me? Okay, there we go. Grab. Lift. Into the back. Lift into the back. Close. Down. Enter. Never mind. So let's go. One hand is out. Jump in here. One hand here. Let's go. So, honk honk. Honk honk. Ow! Honk honk. So let's go. We have to get up. Oh my god, that thing blew up. That thing blew up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ow. Ow. Am I okay? You know what? I can't do that delivery. That was weird. Boom. Ow. I hit my head. Ow. Ow, that really hurt. Okay. Well, I want to do this one last delivery, and I promise I'll end the video. So let's do this, and then I want to jump up here. And then the other hand goes to the lever. No, not there. To the lever. There we go. Ah, don't! Oh, why would you drive into me? Okay, maybe that was my fault. Sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Oh! 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 I don't know what to do right now. I'm so sorry for everything I've been doing. deliver it to? I forgot where I have to. No! I didn't. Whoa! Okay, this thing is really bad damage right now. Let's just get it there. Coming. I'm coming with your package. Where is the resort? Oh no, it's up there. Okay, now I know where to go. I really did not know where to go that time, so I cannot get up there with a car because I don't know how to get up there with a car. I'm gonna instead use an advantage of what I call an air gasoline. Basically, air gooselines. Wait, did I say gasoline last time? I meant gooselines. Air gooselines basically